sensibility and practicality define the 2008 BMW 328. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front dual-zone air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Come see us today, and we'll help you drive away in your dream vehicle.